How to fix pending verification on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how can you fix pending verification on Roblox. Now, if you're having such issue, then it usually means you've not verified your contact information. So what you have to do is you want to make sure to open up your Roblox application and log into your account. So as you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So here what you have to do is you want to click on the three dot icon at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you'll be taken to this page where you have to go and click on settings. As you click on settings, what next you want to do is you want to go to account info from the top of the page. While you're on the account info page, then you could see the email address or maybe your phone number. So in my case, I've already verified, but you see unverified, it's gonna indicate with a red mark. So you just have to make sure to tap on it and then verify the procedure. So to basically verify, what you have to do is just click on it, and then it's gonna send a verification code or some sort of link to the registered email address or maybe a phone number. Then what next you need to do is you need to open up your email address. Now, for example, if you're using an email, then you have to go and you open up the Gmail, and here you need to check for the code. If you're unable to find it on this page, you could also check your spam folder. So you want to tap on the try bar and go to spam, and here you should be able to locate it. So once you've done it, so you want to exit out of this page, and then you want to enter in the verification code. As you do it, so you'll be able to fix pending verification on Roblox. So that is the simplest way to fix a pending verification on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.